Let's talk about one of the most exciting and daring makeup trends taking over the beauty world right now, the reverse cat eye. Hello, my beautiful glow babies. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning reverse cat eye trend of 2025, a look that's bold, creative, and totally transformative. This look is absolutely everywhere, gracing the eyes of celebrities on red carpets, making waves on high-fashion runways, and popping up all over our social media feeds. It's the talk of the beauty community, and for good reason. The reverse cat eye is edgy, mysterious, and modern, giving off a vibe that's both sultry and sophisticated. It's the perfect way to add a little drama and intrigue to your everyday look, or to make a statement for a special occasion. Imagine taking your classic winged liner and flipping it upside down. Suddenly, all the attention shifts to your lower lash line, creating a look that's unexpected and totally captivating. The drama is all about the lower lash line, where a bold, dark liner creates a sharp, lifted effect that instantly opens up your eyes and gives them a fierce, feline edge. It's a technique that flatters every eye shape and adds instant glamour. Think of it as rock and roll meeting high fashion. This look is all about bold self-expression, confidence, and pushing the boundaries of traditional makeup. With the reverse cat eye, your eyes become the undeniable center of attention. It's a look that dares you to be different, to experiment, and to have fun with your makeup routine. Whether you go for a classic black liner or play with pops of color, the possibilities are endless. I'm so excited to guide you through every step of mastering this trend, from prepping your eyes for a smooth application to perfecting that crisp, dramatic line and adding those final touches that make the look uniquely yours. We'll talk about the best products to use, the most flattering colors for every skin tone, and my favorite pro tips to make sure your reverse cat eye stays flawless and lasts all day or all night. So grab your mirrors, your favorite liners, and let's get ready to transform together. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and make your eyes truly unforgettable. Alright, let's get real. We all know the feeling of standing in front of the mirror, searching for that one makeup trick that instantly elevates your look and boosts your confidence. For years, the classic cat eye has been our trusty sidekick, a timeless staple that never fails to add a touch of drama and sophistication. But as with all things in beauty, trends evolve, and sometimes a little shake-up is exactly what we need to rediscover our own style. The classic cat eye has been our go-to for years, but it's time for a change. While it's elegant and chic, it can start to feel predictable, even a little bit safe. If you're craving something that feels bold, unexpected, and totally now, you're not alone. Enter the reverse cat eye, the perfect answer to our beauty rut. This look is modern, edgy, and refreshingly different. It flips the script on everything we thought we knew about eyeliner, drawing attention in a way that feels both daring and sophisticated. What makes the reverse cat eye so special is its focus on the lower lash line. By shifting the emphasis downward, it creates a stunning contrast that instantly makes your eyes pop. The geometry of this look flatters every eye shape, adding depth and intrigue with just a few strokes. This trend is universally flattering, but it's especially magical for those with hooded eyes. Unlike traditional liner that can disappear under a fold, the reverse cat eye remains visible and sharp, no matter how you move or smile. It's a game changer for anyone who's struggled to make their eye makeup stand out. But here's the real secret. The reverse cat eye is more than just a makeup technique. It's an attitude. It's about channeling confidence, embracing a little rebellion, and showing the world that you're not afraid to stand out. Whether you're heading to work, a party, or just running errands, this look adapts to your mood and your moment. The best part? You can make it as sharp and graphic as you want for a high fashion vibe, or smudge it out for a sultry, smoky effect. There are no rules, just endless possibilities to play and experiment. Don't be afraid to play with color either. Swap out classic black for electric blue, emerald green, or even a pop of neon pink. Match your liner to your outfit, your mood, or the season. The reverse cat eye is your canvas, and you're the artist. This look is all about creativity and self-expression. It's a cool girl statement that says you're ahead of the curve, unafraid to try something new, and ready to set your own trends. When you walk into a room with a reverse cat eye, you're guaranteed to turn heads. Think of it as a power move, a way to instantly boost your confidence and show the world your boldest self. Makeup isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling unstoppable. So go ahead, embrace the change. Let your eyes do the talking and tell your own unique story. With every wink and glance, you're making a statement that's all your own. The reverse cat eye is about breaking free from old rules and expressing yourself in new, exciting ways. It's about daring to be different and loving every second of it. So whether you're a makeup minimalist or a color enthusiast, this trend is your invitation to experiment, to play, and to shine with confidence and creativity. Ready to flip the script on your routine? Let's dive into this exciting new world of eye makeup together and discover just how transformative the reverse cat eye can be. Before picking up an eyeliner, let's talk prep. Prepping your skin is the foundation of any great makeup look. It ensures that your makeup not only looks good, but also lasts longer throughout the day. Think of it as creating a smooth, even surface for your art. A flawless makeup application starts with a flawless canvas. This means taking the time to properly cleanse and moisturize your skin. Clean skin is essential for preventing breakouts and ensuring that your makeup goes on smoothly. Clean and hydrate your under-eye area with a gentle cleanser and lightweight eye cream. The skin under your eyes is delicate and needs special care. Hydration helps to plump up the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and making your makeup look more natural. Use eyeshadow primer on your lower lash line for long-lasting color. Primer creates a base that helps your eyeshadow adhere better and stay vibrant throughout the day. It also prevents creasing and smudging. Apply concealer to cover darkness and set with translucent powder. Concealer brightens the under-eye area, making you look more awake and refreshed. Setting it with powder ensures it stays in place and doesn't settle into fine lines. Keep the upper lid minimal for contrast. This technique draws attention to the lower lash line, where your reverse cat eye will be the star of the show. Sweep a neutral eyeshadow for a polished look. A neutral shade complements any eye color and provides a subtle backdrop that enhances the overall effect of your makeup. Your canvas is now prepped and ready for art. With these steps, you've created the perfect base for your makeup. This preparation ensures that your look will be flawless and long-lasting. This step ensures your reverse cat eye stays sharp and smudge-free. Proper prep work is the key to achieving a professional-looking makeup application that stands the test of time. A little prep goes a long way in achieving a stunning look. The difference between prepped and unprepped skin is noticeable and can make or break your makeup. Let's move on to choosing the perfect liner. With your canvas ready, it's time to get creative and bring your makeup vision to life. Your canvas is ready. Now choose your liner weapon. Liquid, gel, or pencil. Each offers a unique effect. Liquid liners are perfect for sharp, graphic looks. Gel liners offer versatility and staying power. Pencils are great for a softer, smudged effect. Experiment to find your perfect match. The right liner can transform your reverse cat eye. Let's create a masterpiece with your chosen tool. Get ready to nail the reverse wing. The moment of truth. Let's create this masterpiece. Line your lower lash line, starting thin at the inner corner and thickening outward. Extend the line outward and slightly upward for the wing. Use a dot to guide your wing's end for symmetry. Decide on a sharp or smoky finish. Blend with a brush for a diffused look. Set with matching eyeshadow for extra staying power. Apply mascara to balance the drama. Clean up edges with a cotton swab for a crisp finish. Your perfect reverse cat eye is complete. Let's explore 2025's hottest hues next. Embrace color in 2025 with your reverse cat eye. Jewel tones like cobalt blue and emerald green are trending. Metallics like silver and gold add a futuristic vibe. Pastels create a dreamy, ethereal look. Use color theory to enhance your natural eye color. Blue eyes pop with warm tones like copper. Green eyes shine with purples and burgundies. Brown eyes look stunning with jewel tones. Experiment with colors to transform your look. Let's add some finishing touches to make it flawless. Let's perfect your reverse cat eye with pro tips. Set your liner with matching eyeshadow for longevity. For hooded eyes, let the liner dry with your head tilted. Use tools like stamps or tape for symmetry. Add a sharp point at the inner corner for a foxy look. Highlight the inner corner for brightness. These details elevate your look to breathtaking. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the process. Your reverse cat eye is a statement of confidence. Let's add some bling and gloss for extra flair. Get ready to shine with creativity. Take your reverse cat eye to the next level with embellishments. Add rhinestones for sparkle or colored mascara for contrast. A glossy lid creates a high-shine editorial look. Combine trends for a maximalist masterpiece. Experiment with metallics, rhinestones, and gloss. Makeup is temporary, so have fun and be bold. Your creativity makes this trend uniquely yours. Share your creations and inspire others. Let's flood the internet with our unique takes. Embrace the power of makeup and create something beautiful. Now go create, my loves. You're now equipped to master the reverse cat eye. This trend is about creativity and breaking rules. Experiment and have fun with colors and techniques. Share your creations and inspire the community. Makeup is a celebration of change and confidence. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the process. Your reverse cat eye is a statement of art. Thank you for joining me today. Go create something beautiful. I'll be cheering you on every step of the way.